Hello and welcome to the New Indian Express News Wrap. I am Harshita Nagpal. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy called on his Odisha counterpart Naveen Patnaik in Bhubaneswar this evening. The Chief Ministers have decided that Chief Secretaries of both the states will set up an institutional mechanism to find a mutually beneficial solution to outstanding issues. They have also agreed to work closely on resolving disputes pertaining to the Kotia group of villages, Neradi Barrage, Jhanjavati project, Polavaram, release of water for Bahuda River, and obtaining a mutual no objection certificate for the Balimela and Upper Sileru energy projects. Jagan and Naveen have also stressed the need to make concerted efforts to tackle left-wing extremism and ganja cultivation along the border between the two states. Now, just a day after the New Indian Express had reported on the migration of people from drought-hit Adoni and Kurnool divisions, District Collector P. Koteshwar Rao held a meeting on Monday and Tuesday to discuss the issue. He has decided to constitute a committee comprising officials of various departments to discuss measures to mitigate the problem and also provide alternate employment to the locals. Every year, thousands of people from Adoni and Kurnool migrate to Bengaluru and other places in search of livelihood. The migrations had stopped over the last 2 years, with the regions receiving good rains and also due to the COVID pandemic. But this year, with deficit rainfall, agricultural activity dropped considerably, rendering the people jobless. Speaking to the New Indian Express, the collector said they want to chalk out a comprehensive action plan by conducting proper study in the worst affected regions to prevent migrations. Elections to 11 Legislative Council seats from the quota of local authorities constituencies will be held on December 10th. The YSRC is likely to bag all the 11 seats as it has a clear majority in the local bodies. With that, it's a wrap. Do follow us on Twitter and Instagram and download the New Indian Express app for more news and updates.